Perfectionism leads our children to place unreasonably high expectations on themselves, often resulting in frustration and self-blame. Perhaps you've seen it in your young child who refuses to draw because their drawings don't look exactly like those of an adult artist. Or maybe you have an older child who becomes distressed by small mistakes in their schoolwork and who insists on starting entire projects again in their quest for perfection. Of course, the earlier we can help our kids change these unhealthy habits, the better. One of my tips for doing this is to be mindful of how you use praise. There are two ways in which we tend to praise children. Content praise often draws attention to the end product. For example, what a beautiful picture, or that's a fantastic block tower. In contrast, process praise focuses on how the child got there. When we use process praise, we draw attention to their good ideas, problem-solving approaches, effort, persistence, concentration and enthusiasm. While it's helpful for all children to experience more process praise than content praise, this is especially true for children with perfectionistic traits. This allows us to draw the focus away from how impressive the end result might or should be, and instead highlight the importance of having a go and learning along the way. So, for example, rather than saying, "That's a fantastic drawing of a bus, you're an amazing artist," it might be more helpful to say something like, "I love seeing the ideas you come up with when you draw." Of course, most of the time we didn't praise our kids at all. Saying simply, "Drawing's fun, isn't it?" is often enough to provide our kids with that sense of connection they're looking for. Finally, consider how you react when your child behaves in an imperfect way. Do you respond calmly when your little one accidentally pours milk all over the breakfast table, or do you tend to overreact? It's important when we're teaching our children that they needn't be perfect, that our responses back this up. By accepting our kids as they are, wonderfully imperfect young learners, we teach them to do the same.